Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use your OTC card at Walmart. Let's get started. First, you need to locate eligible items. OTC cards usually cover products like vitamins, cold medicine, pain relievers, first aid supplies, and certain personal care items. Look for OTC eligible labels in the store, or you can check Walmart's website to confirm which products qualify. Next, shop as you normally would. Add the eligible items to your cart if you're shopping in-store, or add them to your online cart at walmart.com if you're ordering online. When you're ready to check out in-store, go to the register or self-checkout. Swipe your OTC card just like you would a regular debit card. If you're shopping online, enter your OTC card details during the checkout process in the payment section. Once the payment is processed, the total amount for eligible items will be deducted from your OTC balance. If your purchase exceeds your available balance, you'll need to pay the remaining amount using another payment method. Finally, make sure to save your receipt for your records and future reference. And that's how you use your OTC card at Walmart. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.